Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem that is remove duplicates from sorted array. So in this problem, let's give yourself 2 minutes and read the problem. So this problem is saying given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicate in place such that each unique elements appear only once. The relative order of the element should be kept the same, then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k to get accepted. You need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k element of the nums contains the unique element in the order they were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of the nums are not important as the size of the nums. Return k. Now, what approach we will be following to solve this problem? So we will discuss about the approach now. Think about the approach in your mind first. So approach to solve this problem. Initialize the pointers. Use a pointer k to track the positions of the last unique element found. Start k at 1 since the first element is always unique. Use another pointer I to iterate through the array starting from the second element, index 1. The second step would be iterate through the array. Loop through the array from the second element to the end. For each element, check if it is different from the last unique element, which is at index k minus 1. If it is different, it means we found a unique element. Assign the current elements to nums k. Increment k by 1. Return the result. After the loop, k will represent the number of unique elements in the array. The first k elements of the nums will contain the unique elements. Now let's go to IntelliJ and solve this problem. Now here on IntelliJ in LeetCode practice, so you can find this repository in my YouTube channel. Like in the description you can find the repository address, so you can find all these codes that I did and you can make use of it. So I'm going to create one new class that I will name it as remove duplicates. Here I will be going to define one public method that will be int remove duplicates, and in this method I will be passing an integer array name. So now it is giving me an error because I haven't returned anything, so ignore it. So let's start by initializing the size of the array. So size of the array would be nums dot length. Then we will initialize the pointer. So pointer will be int k is equals to 1. That is what we discussed in the approach. Then I'm adding a for loop in which I will be iterating through the nums, and the loop will be starting from I is equals to 0 and it will end at the size of the array, and I will be incrementing it. Now I will be adding a condition here, like if nums I, so I will be, for example, 0 in this case as of now, like it starting from 0 is not is equals to nums k. So the value of k right now is 1. So we are comparing 0 and 1 here. Now if these are not equal, then we will be saving its value into nums position k. So position k will be nums 1. At position 1 we will be saving it, and we will be incrementing k, and after that we can return k. So it will return us the unique elements. Now let's find out in public static void main. There we can check with some test scenarios that we are having. So here we will be calling this method remove duplicates. Need to make this method as static so that it will be called here, and here I will be passing a new int, and let's say my scenario is 1 1 2, and my other scenario would be for example I'm using the LeetCode test cases only. So here if you can see 1 and 2 are unique, and here if you can see 0 1 2 3 and 4 are unique. So it should return accordingly. So let's run this out and see the solution. So here in the first one, if you can see, the first one has only two unique elements. That is why it is returning a 2. In the second one, if you can see, it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 unique elements. So that is why it returned 5. So yeah, kudos, we solved it. Now this algorithm iterate once over the array. So the time complexity of it is O(n) and the space complexity is O(1), because the array is modified only once. That is why the space complexity is O(1). Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I will be creating more videos